In today's lecture, we are going to learn induction variable in code optimization. So what is that? Basically what induction variable do? So we can say it is a variable whose value is derived from the loop iteration variables value. So what is induction variable? It's a variable whose value is derived from the loop iteration variables value. How? We will see with the help of example. So suppose we have this line of code, I is equal to 1 and while loop where I value is less than 10 lakh until unless in while loop while I value is less than equal to 10 lakh, what it will do I is equal to 2 into I is equal to 2 into I. That's what it is doing, right? So what we are seeing that this is a variable whose value is derived from the loop iteration variable value. So always changing in loop by same constant factor, right? Same constant factor, 2 into I. Every time it is doing multiplying by 2 constant factor, right? So we need to do it log 10 lakh times we have to do that, right? Then only it will complete because 2 into I. So the thing is that we are able to see here multiplication we are using. What we are using here? Multiplication. That is a multiplication we are using, right? So that is a costly operator. As compared to multiplication is a costly operator as compared to addition. So what we supposed to do? Solution is here only. Solution is what? We need to use cheaper operator. What we supposed to use? Cheaper operator. That is, we know that addition is step itself. So instead of that code, what we supposed to do? So we can say the exchange by multiplication with addition. So we can say that is, it is called solution of induction variable. How? We will see with same line of code how we can do that, because here in this line of code we are able to see that loop iteration is there and the same constant time or constant factor is there by which we are changing the value, right? And here multiplication is there and we know multiplication is a costly operator and as compared to multiplication, addition is a cheaper operator. So this is the solution for that, exchange multiplication by addition operator. So it is the solution of induction variable. So how we can write this line of code, we will see here. Instead of that, what we can write like this: I is equal to 1. Same line of code, how we can write, while I is less than equal to 10 lakh, right? Then instead of that line, what we supposed to write? We need to use addition instead of multiplication. So how we can write? We can write I is equal to I plus I. I is equal to I plus I. So we are incrementing same thing with a rate of 2 as we are doing here multiplication. Same thing we are doing in the form of addition. So what we have done, we have replaced the costlier operator with the cheaper operator, multiplication with addition. So that is the solution of that induction variable, in which always changing the loop by the same constant factor with costlier operator. So instead of that, doing the same thing with cheaper operator. So that is the solution for induction variable. And this what we are doing, instead of multiplication we are using addition operator. So that's all the induction variable. In the next lecture we are going to learn what is constant folding and what is the solution for that. So if you like it, subscribe it, share it and comment below. Thank you.